1,
Oh, okay. We're on, baby. We're on. I didn't know.
2,
Rip his lips open. Let's go, buddy.
3.
We're on right now, guys, but he got lost, but I think he back for more.
Let's go.
I don't even know what it is, to be honest. Yeah, it's a trout, guys. Oh, let's go keeper trout. Oh, no. What the hell? Oh, we're on, baby. We're on. I didn't even know we're on. It's a nice trout. It's a nice trout, guys.
Tournament has started, baby. We out. Let's go. About to give that outlaw lure a toss, baby. Let's go. Okay, guys. Oh, we're on our first fish. I think it's a trout. It's a trout.
I don't even know what it is, to be honest. Yeah, it's a trout, guys. Oh, let's get keeper trout. Oh, no. What the hell, guys? Oh, no, guys. Man, oh well. That was a keeper trout.
All right, guys. Got the popping cord set up with the Texas-made bait bug. That Texas-made bait bug. See if we can commit to it. Okay, we're on.
First trout, baby. First trout. Gonna measure. This guy doesn't come on. Don't take off anywhere. Okay, he is approximately 13, guys. Not gonna be big enough. He released himself. He ripped the tail off. He ripped the tail clean off. Well, I had a hit before that. The other guy ripped the tail off. Going. Oh, that one took it, guys. That one took it. I'm on the trout. Oh no, what the hell, guys? A ladyfish. Yo. This damn ladyfish took me for a freaking run. I thought it was a big old trout or a red. Self-release, guys. Took me for a nice run on the Texas-made bait bug, guys. That bait bug's killing them today. Okay. That bait bug's killing them, guys. Another trout. Nice little troutski. This one looks a little bigger. That bait bug's killing them, guys. That Texas-made bait bug. This guy is he looked about 13 and a half, 14, guys, so I think he was too small anyways. But we know where they're hitting, guys. Getting some nice runs on the Texas-made bait bug, guys. Another trout. I'm trying not to lose this one. Nah, I'm big, guys. This is a small little sucker. He's nice. These guys are nice release. Let him do a little show before he jumps out. We're on right now, guys, but he got lost, but I think he back for more. Oh, there's a big one. There's a keeper. Let's measure. No. That Texas-made bait bug is doing damage, buddy. Doing a lot of damage today. That's what I've been catching all my fish on. I had one good trout in the morning with the outlaw, but he didn't make it all to the kayak, guys. He got off. It was a nice one too. Okay, we're on, baby. We're on. We're on. It feels nice. Let's check him out. Let's check him out. Look at the little guy. 13, guys. 13 inches, guys. A bunch of 13 inches. Let's go, buddy. Alright, guys. I think he gave us some nice information. He said go a couple clicks down that way, make a little left and a right. He's like, that's where my grandparents are. A little bigger than me. Yeah, we're gonna give it a try, baby. See if he gives us some right information. Okay. We're hooked up, guys. We're hooked up. We're hooked up. Another trout. Looks like, yep. Little guy. Too small to even put up on the board. Couldn't even get the baby bug down his mouth. Ripped his lips open. Let's go, buddy. Okay, guys, that had to be a red. That pulled my drag, man. That had to be a red, guys. Or a big old trout at least. Whatever it was huge. Alright, I'm getting some nibbles on that split tail from Outlaw. Hellraiser color. Okay. We're on, baby. We're on. I didn't know we were on. He hit it good. He hit it good. It's a nice trout. It's a nice trout, guys. Oh, yeah. It's a nice trout. Yo, guys, this is a nice trout on that Hellraiser, on that Outlaw split tail. Hellraiser color. That trout was caught on Jay's split tail Outlaw fishing lure, guys. Let's give a look at him. He's a good one. This one I think is a keeper. He has to be a keeper. 14, guys. Not even a keeper. I'm gonna throw him back in. Okay, guys, we got a nice hit. Nice hit. On the Outlaw. That Outlaw lure is getting him, guys. That Outlaw lure is. Just got this nice trout on the Outlaw paddle tail. This guy's 13, guys. 13. That little guy was caught on the Outlaw paddle tail, baby. I think this is a Gulf roach, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. Well, guys, as we always say at the end of our videos, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for joining me on another adventure, Mars fishing adventure, guys. Please stay updated on my page, on my Facebook page, on my TikTok page, on my YouTube page, guys. I'm gonna be joining more tournaments. More updates on my Facebook page, guys. So if you guys are not following me on Facebook, make sure you guys go follow me on Facebook. If you guys haven't subscribed to me on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you drop that like button. Until the next video, guys. Fishing banks, catching tanks, baby. Let's go. Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring